Hello everyone. Today let's continue to watch a video about the production and assembly process of the Jeep model. Good and useful information for you to refer to America's most advanced manufacturing technology. In the annals of automotive history, the Detroit assembly plant has undergone a transformative journey, marked by visionary investments and the introduction of groundbreaking models. Below is a chronological snapshot of the milestones that shaped this remarkable development. In 2019, a visionary investment of $1.6 billion was announced, setting the stage for a fundamental transformation. The mission: breathe new life into the Mack engine complex and transform it into an advanced assembly site. This ambitious effort aims to usher in a new era for Jeep by being the birthplace of the all-new three-row Jeep Grand Cherokee, the next-generation Grand Cherokee, and a line of electrified vehicles. This investment signals a commitment to innovation, sustainability, and the future of automotive excellence. Step inside, and you'll encounter a symphony of motion orchestrated by 578 robots. These mechanical maestros work in harmony, executing tasks with unparalleled precision. From welding and assembly to intricate detail, the robots in the body shop are the silent architects of automotive excellence. Their synchronized movements reduce production time to an astonishing 2 hours, boasting the efficiency and speed that defines this new era of manufacturing. The creation of a net form is a crucial stage in the birth of the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This process establishes the ideal dimensional setting to hang panels like the hood, liftgate, doors, and fenders before the body is pierced. In a dedicated cell, 26 robots meticulously measure gaps and fits, ensuring perfect symmetry. This meticulous approach ensures that every Jeep Grand Cherokee L that rolls off the assembly line meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. In the pursuit of perfection, innovation extends to the validation process. Near-line laser radar technology is mounted on robots, creating a dynamic system that measures hundreds of pre-programmed surface and alignment points. This 45-minute validation test, performed on a select number of vehicles across all production shifts, complements the inline measurement system that meticulously assesses every Jeep Grand Cherokee L in real time as it traverses the body shop. The importance of symmetry and precision cannot be overstated in the automotive world, and it's the unseen stars, the robots, that ensure each Jeep Grand Cherokee L meets the highest standards. As the net form is meticulously created and validated, the result is not just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece, embodying the seamless collaboration between human ingenuity and robotic precision. From the skilled hands of human artisans to the precision of robotic collaborators, each element converges to create vehicles that are not just modes of transportation but symbols of ingenuity and progress. The body shop, with its blend of history and modernity, stands as a testament to the unwavering commitment to excellence, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in automotive manufacturing. The paint shop at our all-new facility in Detroit stands as a testament to precision, automation, and a commitment to crafting vehicles with unparalleled aesthetic appeal. Unlike its predecessors, the paint shop is housed in an all-new facility, designed with a meticulous focus on efficiency and functionality. With a sprawling 800,000 square feet spread across 5 floors, this space is a vertical symphony of color and protection. And you'll witness a ballet of 124 robots working seamlessly to bring vehicles to life. From the first stroke of primer to the final polish, each robot plays a crucial role in ensuring a flawless finish. This fully automated process not only enhances efficiency but also guarantees precision beyond human capability. The paint shop isn't just about protection, it's about expression. With a palette boasting 11 distinctive colors, customers can choose the shade that resonates with their style. From classic neutrals to bold hues, the paint shop adds a touch of personalization to each vehicle that graces its production line. The painting process is a meticulously layered affair. It begins with a phosphate E-coat, the first layer of corrosion protection that forms the foundation for the vibrant colors that follow. Sealer, applied by 28 robots, covers approximately 208 feet per car, acting as a shield against leaks, corrosion, and wind noise. Primer, skillfully applied by 8 robots, ensures a smooth base layer that enhances the durability of the final paint job. The base paint coat, applied by 21 robots, 10 painting and 11 opening, brings the vehicle to life in its chosen color. The journey concludes with the clear coat, a final protective layer that adds depth and brilliance. In the pursuit of perfection, the process doesn't end with the last coat. Finesse and polish are crucial steps where imperfections are identified and meticulously removed. This ensures that every vehicle leaving the paint shop boasts a flawless, mirror-like finish, a testament to the unwavering commitment to quality. In the heart of Detroit's assembly plant, the paint shop stands as more than just a facility. It's an art studio where vehicles are transformed into masterpieces. From protection to personalization, this is where the future of automotive aesthetics is painted with precision, care, and an eye for detail. The General Assembly, a sprawling 1 million square feet of automotive innovation, now stands as the heartbeat of the assembly plant, orchestrating the final symphony that transforms raw materials into fully functional vehicles. Formerly the birthplace of the Pentastar engine family until December 2019, Mack Engine I has undergone a metamorphosis. It now houses the General Assembly, a space where vehicles take their final shape. The transition from engine production to vehicle assembly represents not just a change in function but a commitment to adaptability and the evolving needs of the automotive industry. Spanning an impressive 1 million square feet, the General Assembly is a vast canvas where vehicles move through 3 crucial stages: trim, chassis, and final, each contributing to the creation of a fully realized automotive masterpiece. At the trim stage, the vehicle is infused with intricate details. The installation of the sunroof, wiring harness, major electrical components, instrument panel, windshield, rear and half glass. Each step is a meticulous dance of precision and craftsmanship. This stage sets the foundation for the vehicle's functionality and aesthetics. Chassis, the heartbeat of the vehicle, takes center stage. Engine dress, the union of engine and chassis, body and chassis decking, hose and electrical connections, fluid fill, and functionality testing, all orchestrated with precision. This is where the vehicle gains its mechanical soul, ready to power through the roads. The final stage is where the vehicle truly comes to life. Installation of seats, steering wheel, major components, doors hung, wheels and tires. All these elements culminate in the birth of a fully assembled vehicle. Electrical tests ensure that every system is functioning seamlessly, bringing the vehicle one step closer to hitting the open road. Before a vehicle leaves the assembly line, it undergoes rigorous final validation. Aligners, headlight aim, rolls, automated driver assist system, calibration, buzz, squeak, and rattle, test track, inline water test, and certification line. Each step is a checkpoint, ensuring that every vehicle meets the highest standards of safety, performance, and craftsmanship. It's a culmination of precision, expertise, and a legacy of automotive excellence. It's where vehicles are not merely assembled but crafted with care, from the first bolt to the final touch. At Detroit's assembly plant, 2 critical assessments, the buzz, squeak, and rattle, BSR, test track and the inline water test, serve as the ultimate guardians of quality assurance for every vehicle. These meticulous evaluations are dedicated to ensuring that each vehicle departing the assembly line is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a symbol of durability, resilience, and superior craftsmanship. The BSR test track, spanning an impressive 2,000 feet within a controlled environment, meticulously evaluates the acoustic signature of each vehicle. Simulating real-world driving conditions, the track challenges vehicles with 11 different elements, replicating diverse terrains. A commitment to unwavering quality is evident as 100% of vehicles undergo this comprehensive examination in just 3 minutes, ensuring a silent symphony of a smooth, noise-free ride. Beyond the track, the BSR Shaker introduces an additional layer of validation. As a North American first, this electro-servo shaker replicates the BSR track, subjecting vehicles to 2 minutes and 40 seconds of intense vibrations, extending to 3 to 5 minutes under more aggressive conditions. This ensures the vehicle's resilience in the face of challenging environments. The inline water test presents another facet of quality scrutiny, subjecting every vehicle to a simulated torrential downpour using 600 nozzles delivering water at 30 psi. Lasting 3 minutes, this examination assesses the vehicle's ability to withstand water intrusion, leaving no detail unexamined. Further extending the validation is the 9-position water test, exposing vehicles to different terrain simulations and weather conditions, ensuring unwavering performance in varied situations. In the realm of quality assurance, these tests, the BSR test track and inline water test, emerge as silent guardians, ensuring that each vehicle leaving the assembly plant is not merely a product but a testament to resilience, craftsmanship, and an unwavering commitment to delivering an exceptional driving experience. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, a popular SUV choice, offers a range of engine options, among them the 3.6L V6 engine. Ideal for those seeking a balance of power and fuel efficiency, this engine delivers 293 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Its EPA estimated fuel efficiency stands at 19 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the 3.6L V6 engine is versatile, available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. For those prioritizing performance and fuel economy, the 3.6L V6 engine is a compelling choice. Noteworthy features include a cast aluminum block and cylinder heads, variable valve timing for enhanced performance and efficiency, and a stop-start system that automatically shuts off the engine when the vehicle is at a standstill. Here are additional details about the 3.6L V6 engine. Construction: cast aluminum block and cylinder heads. Performance enhancement: variable valve timing. Efficiency feature: stop-start system for automatic engine shutdown at stops. If you have any further questions or need more information, feel free to ask. Information about Chrysler's Engine Manufacturing Complex, EMC. The Jeep Grand Cherokee's 3.6L V6 engine is produced at Chrysler's Engine Manufacturing Complex, EMC, in Saltillo, Mexico. This plant was established in 2006 and is Chrysler's largest engine factory, providing engines for many models of Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge and Ram. EMC covers an area of approximately 1.5 million square meters and employs approximately 3,000 employees. This factory is equipped with modern equipment to produce efficient and fuel-efficient engines. Here are some details about Chrysler's EMC plant. Address: Carretera Saltillo Zacatecas KM 160, Saltillo, Coahuila 25220, Mexico. Area: 1.5 million square meters. Number of employees: 3,000. Products: engines for Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge and Ram vehicles. If you have any questions or need more information, please ask for more.